marche dans la rue, il voit deux gars en train de se tabasser dans la gueule, limite en train de prendre un couteau, en train de le tuer, pour lui c'est normal. C'est un règlement de compte. C'est un règlement de compte.
The fuck not? Like, I don't know where the fuck you live. If you see someone with a knife outside, I'm running, nigga. What the...
C'est du moment où il voit un couple en train de s'embrasser, en train de se prendre en câlin ou un truc comme ça, wow. Ah ouais, là c'est la merde. Ah là où.
I think that this nigga just grew up on the wrong basics. I think that this nigga either not a Muslim or a Muslim, but actually not. It's just like I think Algeria is the best country preserving their religion with doing rules that necessary, like not going extreme with it. شغل مشي مزيرين ومشي شغل مرخوفين. I think Algeria is doing like the best job by doing this. And this nigga coming out here, oh, you cannot let me kiss. I want to kiss my girlfriend. And it's actually quite simple. If you don't agree with this country, just leave, nigga.
Déjà, pour pouvoir vivre une vie de couple, on doit se marier.
Swear to God, شغل وكان غير يسمعوني هذا البنادم زعما غير يسمعوني, I would think that he's like 5 years old or like 10 years old. And if you wanna be with someone, you just gotta marry him. I don't like this. All this responsibility stuff and being a Muslim country citizen, I don't like it. I wanna fucking kiss and like have fun. I wanna take my girlfriend and kiss her in public in front of everyone. Nigga, grow up, nigga.
Je dis pas que le mariage n'est pas un bon truc. Non, au contraire. Mais ici en Algérie, c'est limite une obligation.
He's a kid. I told you he's a kid. I told you he's a kid. He doesn't know that شغل خاصك تخطب وتتعرف بالشيرة وتشوف هيدا مليحت لك ولا مش مليحت لك. I told you he's a kid.
Même en étant marié, tu crois vraiment que dans pour s'embrasser?
Bro, what is wrong with him with kissing? Like every time a person talks, is like, but wait, what? You cannot kiss. Like it's weird. I wanna kiss. Like الأساس تاعنا حنايا طونك مسلم طونك بنادم يزيد مسلم in a Muslim country. It's like it's not normal to go outside and kiss your wife in public. It's not normal. Just imagine going outside and there's your neighbor with his wife just going tongue kissing. She's like, no, go fuck. I don't know. Go to your house and fuck. Like I don't want to see this shit.
Non. Atteinte à la pudeur publique.
Bah voilà, on va payer une amende.
Une amende.
Et si on n'est pas marié, la prison.
Why are you complaining about the rules in a country? Change the country instead of changing the rules of the whole country. This nigga, bro. شغل اني باغي الناس قاعد يلعبوا على حسابي كاع اني باغي انا بنت لي اني باغي كاع الناس يتمشوا على حسابي. It's like going to Russia and just complaining about being cold. I don't like the temperature in this country. Then fucking leave the country. I don't like the temperature. I want it down, okay?
Je crois vraiment que je serai après tout ça.
Non. C'est pas ça le bonheur.
Je pense pas qu'on puisse être heureux en Algérie, dans un pays où on nous étouffe.
On n'a même pas le droit d'aimer au fait.
That's big yikes, bro. So you saying relationships makes you happy? Oh, big yikes, bro. I'm sorry to break it to you. So you cannot make your happiness? Oh my God. That, oof. You're far, راك بعيد بزاف, راك بعيد. I know for sure that he's not a Muslim. Because a Muslim person knows that they have a reason to live. And they have a reason to like stay. And they have a reason for existence. But people like him, sorry dog if I refer to you as him, I don't insult no one. You know that we peaceful out here in our family. But people like you, just like don't believe in God, so they don't have a reason to live. So they just like they lost. They're like, oh, I want to drink, I want to party, I want to enjoy this period of life because I'm not sure if there is an end, if there is God. You see, I just explained to you their mindset. So, bro, sorry for you, dog. I'm really sorry for you.
Oh là 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 là. Tout de suite les sujets tabous. J'ai pas de sexualité, hein, comme tous les Algériens.
Can you imagine the people behind the camera just not laughing at all? Just serious face, just like looking at him. And he's the only one laughing. It was the loudest pet you can get. So I said, it's a trumpet. You get a trumpet. Nigga, fuck this job, nigga. Fuck this shit.
Sexuel en Algérie, c'est un problème majeur, franchement, hein, parce que ça te pousse à... Ça pousse les jeunes, en tout cas les hommes, à détester la femme, genre, limite détester la femme.
No. What are you saying is bullshit. I respect people's opinion. I hear what y'all saying. But this is bull of shit because the complete opposite. Muslim religion and living in a Muslim country makes a woman respected. Women are respected in our country. It's not if you go outside, like you said, and go and kiss any girl that you meet and just, they're gonna have this mind, the kids, they're gonna have this mindset of women as objects. Just go and kiss every woman that you like. No, the Muslim religion and Muslim country preserves the image of the woman and makes her respected. You're wrong, my fella. You're wrong, my fella.
Alors qu'au fond de lui, il veut juste se retrouver avec elle, pouvoir, je sais pas, l'embrasser.
Like, what is wrong with these people in the interview? Just want to kiss. Why you want to kiss so bad? God damn.
Ou la prendre dans ses bras dehors, mais il peut pas. Donc qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il réagit de manière un peu violente.
What do you mean with aggressive? I'm talking aggressive like being angry. Whoa. I'm having some weird vibes with you. Lock him up, lock him up.
À 20 ans déjà, la dépression.
À 20 ans en fait.
Ouais.
Tu souffres à 20 ans en fait.
À 20 ans, genre à 20 ans, t'es à l'étranger, t'es là, tu vis ta meilleure vie, t'es en...
Exact.
So listen, sweetie. I'm gonna call you sweetie because I actually respect people's opinion and I actually gonna respond to you. I'm not going to like go, fuck you. No, we don't do that here. My niggas know that shit. So, you said that you have depression. Depression is a serious matter. You don't say, I have depression at the age of 20 and I want to party all night. Partying doesn't cure fucking depression, girl. No, we don't. Go to a psychiatrist and boom, you will solve your depression. Partying will not make you like happier. I don't know what is your point of happiness with every person in this fucking interview, nigga. Like, this shit doesn't make you happy. If you go to France or go to America, you will see that those people are the depressed ones because they don't have a reason to live. They just live into partying. They will be like, what is my reason? Where's the reason of my existence?
Bah là, t'as rien, genre.
T'as rien en fait. T'as un cinéma, deux cinémas, puis t'as rien en fait. Il y a des programmes pour eux, il y a des films qui sont censurés parce qu'ils contiennent des scènes érotiques, on va dire.
Ici, ouais.
Exactement.
If you're bothered so much with this country, if you need this shit in the other country so bad, I don't know, leave the country, switch it up, go Babur mode. No, don't do this shit.
Non. Le tabou de la femme qui se masturbe. Comment tu peux connaître tes plaisirs si tu n'as pas le droit de te masturber ou de voir du porno?
Exactement.
Alright, let me fantastic. Should they bring up girl masturbating and people getting mad of it? I don't remember the last time I saw someone complaining about girls masturbating. Just going in public like, I'm sick of the fucking girls fucking masturbating.
Le problème, c'est qu'il faudrait instaurer une éducation sexuelle. Ce pays a besoin d'une éducation sexuelle.
You gotta get in your brain, like, it's not of people business. It's between you and God. If you're trying to, like, go crazy on that punani, just go in DJ mode, girl, it's you with God. I'm not gonna out here just grab your hand and like, stop the fucking masturbating, stop it. If you wanna do this shit, do it. Don't blame it in other people for not normalizing it. Like she do, it's like she do some fucked up shit, and then she go like, you know, you do it too because it's like normal. You're just making a big deal.
Les parents sont contre.
Et justement, les parents sont contre, mais c'est
Ils croient que c'est obscène. En fait, ils sont contre du fait qu'une femme doit être libre quand même.
They're not doing this for that. They're doing this because they want you to be respected.
une éducation merdique, quoi.
Inexistante.
Inexistante, quoi.
Like, there is no parent in the entire world that hate their kids. They love you. They just want you to be halal. Halal, girl, what is wrong with that? Halal.
Les filles ne sont pas solidaires dans ce pays. Elles sont soumises. Elles ferment leur gueule et elles acceptent. Elles se disent, ouais, c'est comme ça, tout le monde fait, moi je vais faire comme tout le monde. Mais est-ce que c'est juste? Est-ce que t'es heureuse? Est-ce que toi t'es heureuse? Est-ce que le jour où tu mourras, tu seras dans ton lit de mort? Est-ce que tu te diras, ouais, j'ai vécu une belle vie? Est-ce que tu vas répondre par oui?
Non.
Moi, je veux répondre par oui.
Satan is watching this like, this girl, I ain't ready for this hell, nigga. Flames they're gonna be throwing, oh my God, I can't wait.